Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest trends and fashion tips. Today we have a super exciting topic for you, plus size evening bodycon dresses that are totally trending right now. Whether you are heading to a special event or just want to look fabulous, we have got you covered. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk about what a bodycon dresses actually is. Bodycon stand for body conscious, which means these dresses are designed to hug your curves and show off your shape. They are usually made for stretchy fabric that fits snugly but are still super comfortable. And the best part, they come in all kinds of style and colors, so you can find the perfect one for any evening event. Plus size bodycon dresses are amazing because they highlights your curves beautifully while making you feel confident and stylish. Now let's check out some of the hottest plus size evening bodycon dresses trending right now. First we have the classic black bodycon dress. It's a timeless choice that never goes out of style. You can dress it up with some sparkling accessories or keep it simple for a sleek look. Next up is the dress with blood prints and patterns. If you love standing out, a dress with bright colors or unique design will definitely grab attention. Pair it with some chic heels or you are ready to turn heads. Another great tune is the off the shoulder bodycon dresses is perfect for showing off your shoulder and giving a bit of drama to your outfit. This style works beautifully for an evening occasions from cocktail parties to fancy dinners. And do not forget about the dresses with high slits or cutouts. These add a touch of glamour and make your evening look even more special. Choose a color that complements your skin tone and you will look absolutely stunning. So where can you find these amazing plus size evening bodycon dresses? Many online stores offer a wide range of options. Websites like have fantastic selection that cater to different taste and budget. You can also check out local boutiques and department stores. Sometimes shopping in person allows you to try on the dresses and see which fit and flatters you the best. If you are looking for some budget friendly option, do not forget to check out sales and discount section. You can score beautiful dresses without breaking the bank. Let's talk about how to style your plus size bodycon dresses. If you are going for a classic look, add a pair of statement earrings and a matching clutch. This will elevate your outfit and make you look elegant. For a more casual approach, you can pair your dress with a denim jackets or a cozy cardigan. This adds a relaxed vibe while keeping you comfortable throughout the evening. And always remember, confidence is key. No matter what dress you choose, wear it with pride and enjoy every moment. You deserve to feel fabulous. This is for today's videos. I hope you will enjoy this video checking out these plus size evening bodycon dresses with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to your fashion design for more fashion tips and trends. We have lots of exciting content coming your way and you do not want to miss out. Leave a comment below and let me know which dress was your favorite, or if you have any other fashion topic you will like us to cover. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. So what exactly is a bodycon dresses? The term bodycon comes from body conscious, which means these dresses are designed to fit snugly and show off your curves. Made from stretchy fabric, bodycon dresses are comfortable yet flattering. The beauty of a bodycon dress is its ability to enhance your natural shape while being versatile enough for any evening event. formal class to a casual dinner parties. These dresses can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. Let's explore some of the trending style in plus size bodycon dresses right now. First on the list is the classic black bodycon dress. You can not go wrong with this timeless piece. It's sleek, elegant and perfect for any evening affair. You can add a pop of color with accessories or go for a monochromatic look with matching shoes and bag. Next we have the floor print bodycon dresses. Floral patterns are a great way to add a fun or feminine touch to your outfit. Whether it's a blood vibrant print or more separate pattern, floor prints can make you stand out while keeping on your look chic. Another popular style is of the shoulder bodycon dresses. This design highlights your shoulder and add a bit of drama. It's fantastic choice for formal events or a night out with friends. You can pair it with statement earrings for an extra touch of elegance. And let's not forget the high silk bodycon dresses. The high silk and a touch of glamour and squishiness is perfect for those nights when you want to make a statement. Choose a dress with a silk you that feel comfortable with, and you will turning heads in no time. Now that you know what style are trending, you might be wondering where to find these fabulous dresses. Here are some great places to start. Online retailers offer a wide variety of plus size bodycon dresses. They have filters that you sort by size, colors and style, making it easy to find exactly what you are looking. If you prefer shopping in person, local boutiques and department stores often have beautiful selections. Stores are always checking out for unique finds and personal shopping experience. For those on a budget and do not overlook the sales section of your favorite stores, you can often find stunning dresses at a fractions of the original price. So keep an eye out for discount and promotion. Let's dive into some styling tips to make the most of your plus size bodycon dresses. When wearing a bodycon dresses, accessories can make a huge difference. OPT for statement jewelry, a sleek clutch or a stylish belt to complement your dress. Adding a blazer, shrug or kimono can give your dress a different look while adding some coverage if needed. It's also a great way to transition from day to night. Pair your bodycon dresses with heels for a formal event to OPT for chic, flats if you are going for more relaxed look. The right shoes can elevate your outfit and keep you comfortable. A blood lip color or a sleek hairstyle can enhance your overall look. Experiment with different makeup and hairstyle to see what best complements your dress and personal style. I have received a lot of questions about bodycon dresses, so let's answer a few. And are bodycon dresses only for formal events? Not at all. Bodycon dresses can be dressed up or down. You can wear them to casual outing with the right accessories or dress them up for formal events. How can I feel more comfortable in a bodycon dresses? The key is to find a dress that fits well and makes you feel confident. Make sure it's made from stretchy fabrics that moves with you, and consider wearing shapewear of extra sport. It's always a good idea to check the size guide and before purchasing. If you are shopping online, many stores offer easy returns of exchange if the dress does not fit as accepted. I do not love to hear from you. Which plus size bodycon dresses styles do you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comment below and let's chat about it. And if you have any fashion question or need advice, feel free to ask. I am here to help. That's a wrap of today's video. I hope you enjoy exploring these trendy plus size evening bodycon dresses with me. If you like what you saw, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in these fabulous styles. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Fashion Design and hit the notification bell. You are always and up to date with the latest fashion trends. We have got so much for more exciting content coming your way. Bodycon dresses is a super duper most popular trending design. Bodycon dresses with a green color, very attractive to enjoy the try the parties, accessories and dates. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.